Hi, I'm Dr. Jack. Let's talk about wealth creation in property investment. Why invest in property? Why off the plan? Why invest in house and land package? There are several reasons of property investment and various ways to do it. Champion Group have 2 golden rules of property investments. Without any or little money out of your pocket up front, will you want to invest in a property? Without any or little money out of your pocket on an ongoing basis and not affecting your lifestyle, will you really want to do it? So, how do we achieve it? Many of us may have questions like, what's a negative and positive gearing? How to create positive cash flow? How to purchase without deposit? How to pay off your loan quickly? How to create equity without capital growth? How to own multiple property investment? How to gain ultimate financial freedom? 10 simple steps to wealth creation in property investments. Step 1. Buy logically, not emotionally. Make your decision based on your financial and tax position, plus loan structure. Buy with your mind, not your heart. Step 2. There are 5 major risks. Your money contributions, your knowledge, your skills, your time and your risks. You need to seek leverage across the above 5 and apply 1% risk management. Step 3. Focus on 2 crucial timing. Timing for capital growth. Timing for buy-in and sell-out. Step 4. Use multi-property strategy, meaning having a few properties. It depends on your desire for financial freedom. So how many investment properties do you want to own? Step 5. What types of properties? New versus old. What price ranges? Churning properties, meaning sell to buy in 7 to 10 years. Step 6. Types of ownership. Individual names, single or couple. Joint tenancy and tenancy in common. Company. Trust. SMSF. Step 7. Get started with co-ownership, family purchase, family guarantor. Start young. Step 8. Super versus PIP. How much do you need to retire with, on? Financial freedom, meaning you don't have to watch what you are spending. Step 9. Why invest property? Capital growth, your money investment, your rental income or interest payable, and tax gearing. Step 10. Apply TEES to recognize potential capital growth. It means transport, education, employment and shopping. Use these 10 steps to achieve wealth creation in property investment. Q&A time. The first question is, when is or was the best time to buy? Someone says, if you bought 10 years ago, that will be best. Do you agree? This has passed and we cannot bring back time. Correct? The next question is, if someone can tell you when is the second best time to buy, will you act on it? Don't you agree that the second best time to buy is now? The last question is, what do you like to ask yourself in 10 years' time? What a pity, I've missed out again. Oh gosh, I wish I had bought more 10 years ago. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Happy investing. Together we will make better.